Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create multiple Gmail accounts in just a few minutes. Perfect for personal use, work, or managing different projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up as many accounts as you need. Hassle-free. Let's dive in. Access Gmail and add account. First, open Gmail on your browser. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and select Add Account. This will take you to the login page where you can start setting up a new Gmail account. Create a new account. Next, choose Create Account and select for my personal use. This begins the process of creating a brand new Google account. It's simple and straightforward. Fill in your details. Now, you'll need to provide some basic information. Enter your first and last name, then pick a username. You'll use this as your Gmail address. Next, create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and confirm it. Make sure it's secure so your account stays protected. To keep your account safe, Google will ask for a phone number or an alternate email. Enter that information, then review and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policies. Once done, click Next, and your new Gmail account is ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gmail account, and you can repeat this process to set up multiple accounts for work, projects, or personal use. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.